Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Imam Hamza from the Islamic Center of Cleveland, inviting you to a special set of programs that we will hold here at the Islamic Center on the Friday and Saturday, February the 28th and the 29th. We have a guest speaker in from Pakistan by the name of Shaykh Hashim Ahmad. But you'll find that he's not a typical guest from Pakistan. Rather, he was born here in the Cleveland metro area 70 years ago, and he grew up in a non-Muslim household. Later on in the 60s, 70s, he would be very much involved with what we would call the hippie movement in popular culture. Engaging with nature and thinking just about ethical behavior and how to change the way that we live in order not to harm the earth and harm those around us and harm the self as well. And this concern that he had, Allah Ta'ala through it, he drew him to Islam, and in those days he accepted Islam. And not only did he accept Islam in earnest and seriousness, he also called other people to Islam, and a number of people took the Shahada at his hands in those days, including Bhai Abdul Wadud, one of our senior African American brothers in this Muslim community, senior community members who lives next to Masjid Noor, who could tell you a lot about the Shaykh from back in those days when none of these masajid and none of these centers were here. And so because of his seriousness in seeking deen, and in particular in seeking knowledge, he in the 80s then went to Arabia, to Makkah Mukarramah, al-Qura. He sought knowledge and received a number of ijazat, and then he traveled to Pakistan afterward, in part to continue his studies and in part also to help them to set up a more fluency-based program for teaching Arabic, the Arabic language, to non-Arabs. And he's been teaching in Pakistan and is considered to be one of the respectable and reputed ulama in Pakistan, where he's been resident ever since. And he's taught all sorts of different subjects. Most notably, he was actually a teacher in a number of elite madaris that teach the ulum of the Sharia to women. And he's taught Sahih Bukhari to the sisters, to the students of knowledge, several times. And it's a very rare and unique opportunity to have someone with a complete isnad teach the entire book from beginning to end so many times in our midst. So you're not going to want to miss it. He's going to be giving the Jumu'ah Khutbah, inshallah, here at the Islamic Center, 1 p.m. on Friday. And then after Salatul Isha at 8 p.m. On Friday night, he'll be giving a talk entitled From Shaker Heights to Shaykh al-Hadith. If the title you find it corny, you can blame me for that. I'm the one who picked it. But essentially, it's a story in which we can find inspiration and wisdom from his experiences of an America that many of us were not familiar with, and insights in how the community got from there to here, and what direction we should look to push it forward in the future. And then on Saturday the 29th, there will be a really unique workshop that he's going to be conducting from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. And registration is required, and we're asking that those who register commit to attend the entire workshop. But it is a special workshop that he put together called the Ubudiyyah workshop. The idea, Ubudiyyah meaning slavehood, the idea is that to some people Islam is kind of a la carte, where you pick and choose certain parts of it. So to someone, Islam may be a particular salat, or to someone it may be fasting in Ramadan, or to someone it may be about not eating pork or whatever. But Islam itself means to submit to Allah Ta'ala and find peace through submission. And so it's a very objective and analytical, introspective, thought-provoking set of presentations and modules that help the attendee examine their life and bring it into streamline with the Deen of Islam, and into submission to Allah Ta'ala, and finding peace and meaning and purpose through that. in a way that many of us never get the opportunity to do. And there are actually brothers from the community who I've in the past sent to attend this workshop. It's been given at a number of locations, both here in the United States as well as all over the different countries in the Muslim world as well. And so we get to have the opportunity to attend this program that hundreds of people, if not thousands, have benefited from here in our own Cleveland, Ohio. So please register for that workshop. There'll be a link for registration. The registration, again, is free, but we just need an account, and we need a commitment from people to attend the entire workshop. Register for the workshop at the link enclosed in the description and in the social media advertisements, as well as on the poster. And come Friday for Salatul Jumu'ah. And come Friday night for the talk, inshallah. Bring your family. We hope everybody comes and benefits, brings their questions, and brings their curiosity to know more about the Shaykh, and to benefit in your own deen and in your own relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by reading the signposts by those who have already tread this path before, and showing them our gratitude for the service that they did for Islam in this land before we were even aware that any service was done. So I look forward to seeing you all there Friday the 28th of February and Saturday the 29th. And we're always here, inshallah, if you ever need us in the salat in the masjid and throughout the week, and we can be contacted through social media or any of the masjids, any of the masjids' other email, phone, or other means of contact. Barakallahu feekum, wassalam.